How to buy Coin AI token. Now, this token came under the symbol of Coin. Now, before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there's referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simple as it goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going out buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on AutoSnipe. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this online network. Now open your funds wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure I have enough Solana in wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is how to click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is, and after that select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. After that click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Coin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.